bro. That's on you. I will calm down. I just want to talk to somebody. I just want to let my grandma know. She has my baby.
On the 9th of September, 2025, officers approached a woman at Walmart after receiving a report that she had skip-scanned most of the items in her cart filled to the brim with merchandise. At that moment, she became visibly tense as she desperately tried to make excuses for herself.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, calm down.
What's up? Ma'am,
I just want him to scan the beep box. You guys are thinking I'm
settle down. Don't make a scene.
I'm not making a scene. I really want to.
All right, I need you to calm down. I need you to relax, okay? All right, let him do his job.
I'm letting him make his job.
Well, you're hindering him when you're talking to him and you're screaming at him. You're hindering him.
I'm not trying to.
All right, so just relax. Let him do his job.
None of this would have happened if you wouldn't have done what you did in the first place, okay? If you were literally stopped the first time to turn around and start doing it,
They stopped me over there because the machine wasn't working. I was paying for myself.
They stopped you.
They shouldn't stop me. I asked for help. I asked for help so she could finish the transaction for me. She said I couldn't go.
You were already doing what you were doing.
I'm not even everything was done.
Okay, the formula, the food, all that's on there?
All of these are in bags, so the chicken ones are in the bags.
Everything that you guys can check. I literally have to get There's waters in the bottom that I paid.
I already checked. 126 each. You can pay for it. I don't know about this one.
The woman tried to obstruct the loss prevention officer by interrupting constantly about everything, and even providing her information became a struggle.
Do you have ID on you?
The beat boxes.
Let me see your ID.
So what do you need my ID?
Don't make this a problem.
I don't have an
You're being
ID.
detained right now. So give me your ID.
It's on there.
You gotta show
Did they find anything that was scanned yet?
Yeah, right there.
They did. Everything in here. Everything is scanned. That's not scanned. I don't know why, but this is scanned. They're asking for you have some options. You can either be put in handcuffs. I don't want to be put in handcuffs. Okay, so identify yourself.
I can identify myself. You want my ID? I can give it to you.
So these stuff were over here with these, but they were not
I
scanned.
literally went through the scanner. I went through the lady. I went through the lady, dog. I don't understand this. I went through the scan machine by yourself. They told me it was not working, so I went through. She sent me to another one. I came over here. She said I gotta go to another one. I came over here, and then he tells me I have to go to.
What's your name?
Lyrium.
All right, Lyrian, let me ask you a question. Were those clothes in your cart?
Yes, this was
Did you pay
my
for
card.
them?
I supposedly I just gave it to
All
her.
right, you didn't pay for it. That's why you're being detained.
That's fine. You can
So be
see me.
quiet.
She even went on to prove that she had other payment receipts, but it seemingly exposed a loophole for the officers to seize on.
I'm trying to help you, but you're making it
You're not
worse for
trying to help
yourself.
me. You're not trying to help me. You're really not trying to help me.
Okay.
Because I literally paid for that shit. You guys telling me I didn't. It's on the receipt, bro.
What's on the
I
receipt?
have to show you my food stamp thing. I'm not like, bro.
Those clothes are on the receipt?
I'm not talking about those.
What are you talking about?
The clothes I paid with my cash app, which I paid with her.
Whoa, we're talking about that. I guess I'll give it to you.
The ice cream. I'm talking about the ice cream, which was paid for.
Hold on, we're talking about the clothes.
I'm gonna show you. I don't really want to fight. I really
Those
don't want
clothes
to fight. I'm
weren't
just
paid
gonna
for.
show you. I'm just gonna show you.
Oh, my old area, frozen. I got that. That's personal.
Alright, at this point, go ahead and take it to the office. Because so far none of it's paid for.
Man.
Can you not take my bag? Can I call somebody, please?
I'm gonna hold it for you. Stop.
Can I please call somebody? Can I please call somebody? Can I please call
No, you
somebody?
can't.
The woman failed to manipulate the thoughts of those around her, and at that point her tactics shifted, gradually spiraling into chaos.
Yes, I can. I don't have.
Okay, this is not how that works.
I understand how it works, but can I please call somebody? Can I get a hit of it, please? Damn.
No, you can't. Really? Really? Cut it
Bro,
out.
sis, I literally went through the thing. Y'all can check the cameras.
Cut it out.
Y'all can check the cameras. I'm not playing, bro. I didn't. No, I have no reason to steal this. You just broke my nail, bro.
That's on you.
Tensing up and pushing. We're gonna come this way.
Are
you gonna-
You're gonna get charged for
Bring it to the car. Wait, no, we're gonna take it to the car.
Breaking all my.
Not yours. Relax. Calm down.
Oh my.
There's kids here.
My ID. I just need my ID. Can y'all give me?
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't
I don't
stop.
want to resist. I just want y'all to give me.
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't stop.
I don't get. Oh my gosh, bro. I just want y'all to give me my.
Calm down.
Bro, my. Just can I call my mom? My baby! I'll you, bro!
Stop. Stop. This side. All right. Shut up.
Stop! Don't tell me to stop! No, wait. No, chill out! Chill out! Stop! Come on, bro. Y'all cannot please come baby. That's all I want to do. I don't care if y'all take me to jail. Can I please just put a baby? Spread your legs.
At this point, the woman still did not stop making things difficult, but her obstruction grew even more disappointing when she dragged her family member into it.
Thing, you're gonna wreck your head.
Please.
No.
I need to call my baby. I need to call my baby. Please, I need to call my baby. Please, I need to call my baby. I need to call my baby.
Okay, you can do that later.
No, not later. I don't have her phone number. I don't know her phone number. Can I just please note down the phone number? That's all I want. You guys can take me to jail. I just want to note down the phone number. I just want the phone number.
Stop.
I'm not even for no reason. I'm not even touching you.
Crazy.
No, I just want to talk to the baby. That's it.
Where's your...
Please, just can somebody talk to me like a grown person? I don't want to argue. Please, can you talk to me? I will calm down, please. I will calm down. I just want to talk to somebody. I just want to let my grandma know. She has my baby, guys.
I'll call your grandma. Relax.
You don't have her number.
Do you have it?
Yes, it's on the phone. That's all I want to do. I just want to call her.
What's your code?
102405. Can you open the door so I can let you know which contact it is? I don't want to argue. I just want to let my baby know. My boob is all out, please.
I'll have her fix it for you. Hold on.
Please, just fix my shit.
I'm trying to call your grandma. Relax.
Okay, go to contacts.
Right.
That phone doesn't work. It's the blue one. It's the blue one. I have two phones. It's another one.
The blue one's in your bag.
It did not stop there, as officers searched her bag and quickly uncovered even more troubling details.
She wants her phone, but it's in the car.
Oh, yeah, it is in the cart.
Alright, I'm gonna get your phone and see if this belongs to Walmart as well.
Those are all in her bag.
Yeah, these were in her bag.
Yeah, those are Walmart. Are those Walmart?
I don't know. Find out.
Not even Walmart.
You're gonna find out.
Somewhere else. Go find out. Go ahead. That's not even Walmart. That's been in my bag. Can you fix my shirt? My boob is all out. And can you get my other phone? Move your foot. Can you get my other phone? Move your foot. I don't care. Can you get my other foot? Your foot is gonna get messed up. Bro, can you get my other me? You gonna hit me? Okay. You gonna hit me?
Alright, good. It's time for confusion.
She just kicked me, so she's getting that real.
Yep. I'm gonna...
No, I just want to talk to my baby. You're lucky I didn't punch you just now. I just want to talk to the baby. Y'all won't help me. I just want to talk to her.
As of now.
That's all I want to do.
So, I mean, you could either do resisting violence or bat Leo, but I say do bat Leo.
I'm gonna do the bat Leo because she just kicked me, and I'll do the resisting as well, or just not. They're both. I mean, I'm trying to let y'all know where the phone is after you can get to the phone.
The 19-year-old woman was charged with retail theft, resisting an officer without violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. When someone chooses lies, manipulation, and aggression over honesty, a simple mistake can quickly escalate into serious criminal charges. One impulsive decision can change everything.